Tile roofing is a type of roofing that consists of individual tiles. These are usually made of clay or concrete and are installed on the roof in an overlapping pattern. Tiles are trendy in warm climates because they help keep the inside cool. It is also durable and can last many years with proper maintenance. When it comes to roofs, there are a lot of options available on the market. But is tile roofing worth the investment? Let's take a closer look. Tile roofing has been used for centuries and is known for its durability. Tile roofs can last up to 50 years with proper maintenance. That's double the lifespan of a typical asphalt shingle roof. Tile roofs are also fire-resistant and can help protect your home from wildfire. And because they're durable, they can withstand high winds and heavy rains without problems. So, if you're looking for a roof that will last for decades and provide excellent protection for your home, tile roofing is definitely worth the investment. Luckily, Idaho Falls roofing contractors have been working with different roofing materials. We are skilled and licensed to make it easier for you to hire us. We can help you build the best tile roofing system. Contact us to get your assisted.